video tutorial are for my beautiful newbies. You know you're new to this tapping thing and you've not connected your wallet to the Hamster Kombat. This is how you do go about it, okay? It's not complicated in any way. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your iOS or Google Play Store and make sure to download TONkeeper, okay? Once you're done downloading TONkeeper, you get registered, okay? Save your seed phrase is also important. Now, once you're done with the registration, okay, all you simply need to do is to create a wallet. All right, so you click at this top here. Okay, as you can see here, I've created several wallets for all these airdrops. Now, what to do to add another wallet is simply click on add wallet below. Okay, try creating a new wallet for each and every airdrop. Do not just jump pack everything there. Now, we want to link our wallet to Hamster Kombat. So just click on create new wallets and you put in your password. Now you can create notification on this or you just leave it late for later. Okay. Now this is where you get to put the name. All right. So I'm just going to put in hamster here. Okay. That is it. Okay. Let me just put in the combat. All right. Now you can change this icon as well by simply putting in a different color. Okay, or you can even put in an emoji, whatever it is here you want to. You can put in different colors. Let me just put this on red.